Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are looking at market cap filter. This one is a little different from chart indicators like RSI or moving averages. Market cap does not tell you whether price is going up or down today. It helps answer a simpler question. How big is this company in the stock market? Market cap is short for market capitalization. The basic calculation is share price times shares outstanding. In plain English, it is the market's current value for the whole company. A tiny company can have a small market cap. A huge company can have a very large market cap. Traders usually talk about small cap, mid cap, large cap, and sometimes mega cap stocks. The exact cutoffs can change depending on the data source, but the idea is easy. Market cap helps you sort companies by size before you look at the chart. Why does that matter? Because company size can change the personality of a stock. Large cap stocks often have more trading volume, more analyst coverage, and usually more liquidity. That can make them easier to enter and exit, but it does not make them risk-free. Small cap stocks may move faster, and sometimes they can offer bigger percentage swings, but they can also be more volatile, less liquid, and more sensitive to news. So market cap is not about finding a perfect stock. It is about narrowing the universe. If you are a beginner, this is useful because it keeps your alerts focused. Maybe you only want to watch larger companies while you learn, or maybe your strategy looks for smaller companies, but only when volume and price action also confirm the move. Here is a simple example. Imagine two stocks both move up 5%. One is a mega cap company with heavy volume. The other is a small cap name with thin volume. The same 5% move may not mean the same thing. Market cap gives you context before you react. The common mistake is thinking bigger always means safe or smaller always means better opportunity. Markets are messier than that. A large company can still drop hard. A small company can still be a bad trade. In Signal Alert, add market cap filter, choose the company size range you care about, and combine it with a price, trend, volume. Or event alert. The goal is simple. Let Signal Alert watch the type of stocks that fit your plan instead of every stock in the market. Visit Signal Alert, EO, and build your next market alert in minutes.